We get bored easily.
You're welcome. Good luck. Shotgun. Alright, rub your straight face for it. Yeah, bruh. Yeah, bruh. So today's Friday. Just felt like going to a drive-thru, so we just decided to test out our new wheels. Our new whip. If you will. Come on, I'll take this. Come on, I'll take this. We're all cramped.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Dude, we need to get this be like so sick.
Yeah. That's what we're working on.
Raise the car a little more, guys.
Dude, you gotta be like this here. Like that.
Yeah.
Hey Luke, do you got all like your payment, like your card and stuff? Yeah. Crap.
Someone turn the radio down.
How am I gonna do this?
If you like, turn the music down.
You got mine ready?
Just come up a little more, Jerry, like right next to the window.
I will.
You can move around to the other side so you can get the reaction.
I will. And once the car drives away, I will. Yeah, there's Emery.
We're at McDonald's, yeah. It costs me money. More expensive.
I'll get a bigger model next year. When I upgrade to 13.
This good tax write-off.
Yeah, exactly. Like that's why I got this.
You got insurance on this thing, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But it's pretty valuable. No, I'm not. You know, I don't want some idiot tapping me and then I have to deal with more.
Hey, Jerry, why don't you just walk behind us after we cross?
Behind you? I want to.
I have a really nice butt, okay?
Hi there, how y'all doing today?
Good.
Okay, you got small banana pudding milkshake?
Yeah, that's us.
Alright, there you are. I just want to say you guys made my night.
Sweet.
I will that be all for y'all?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah? Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
Y'all be nice.
I hope you live forever.
Peel up.